sabay, look for top in PH. Normally, against Alvarado, if I'm not mistaken, in the first two fights, he normally stands up straighter than normal. Right now, he's defending himself, and I think he's trying to prolong the fight.
Looking to land some power shots is Brandon Rios. Now, Manny, using that movement na sinabi natin, na medyo hindi natin nakita in the first minutes of round number 1 as well as the first minutes of round number 2. Manny throwing, then swaying, moving away, good lateral movement. Bago makapag-counter si Brandon Rios, nawala na si Manny.
He's trying to open up the defense to Rosario. He's trying to open up the defense with a left straight.
Footwork, very essential here in the attack of Manny Pacquiao. Pacquiao throwing, moving away. That's the circling motion na hinahanap natin.
That's how I did it. Both fighters that fought before na matangkat sa kanya, malaki sa kanya. Don't fight Margarito. And he did it against De La Hoya. He's getting his feet. This is not regular.
Kasi lagi magalaw na hindi masyadong tumatapos, baka mawalan ng speed. And that time, Brandon Rios connected there. Gumagalaw kasi Manny pag hindi siya masyadong tumatapos.
Kaya nga, that's what I'm saying. Gumagalaw masyado, hindi tumatapos. Pag tumatapos naman, sa guwante at nakapos na siya mga
Couple of left hands by Manny Pacquiao.
Pinipilit niya bumukas yung depensa na yun.
Napuyan sa editing video sa?
Immediately after the left hand, Robert Casillas prepared Rios for the left hand straight knee.
A nice uppercut coming from Brandon Rios. Manny, nice counter left. He's got Brandon Rios in trouble. A left hand.
sa katawan na. Parang napapasok ko ni Manny, tapos bigla siya pag-open up.
Big adjustment here in the part of Brandon Rios sa mga previous fights niya. Papasok siya pero hindi siya sumusuntok. Ngayon, pagpasok ni Brandon Rios, siya ang sumusuntok. He wants to be first.